Today we talk about how can you enable sync contacts on your Clubhouse app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click on your name. So then you come to this list here, come here to sync contacts, click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's means sync contacts enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.